Hey guys, this is Ramsey Duncan and this is Not My Kitchen. So today we're going to be making an old fashioned. This is one of my favorite cocktails to make. It's my go-to at any bar. Huge whiskey / bourbon fan. It's popular amongst my friend group, so we drink it often. As you'll see in the video, I do not make it with a cherry or club soda. This is a traditional pre-1930s way of making it. If you like the cherry, again, I'm gonna say this in the video too, but if you like the cherry, if you like the club soda, please add it. That's your kitchen. This is not my kitchen. So, a little bit about this house. This house is currently listed. We're on the east side of Austin. We are in the B unit right now for the cocktail. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath house, almost 1,300 square feet. This would be an amazing vacation home, Airbnb, whatever you want to use it for. We are on the east side of Austin, so we're close to all the restaurants, bars. The style is Japandi, which is Japanese and Scandinavian. I think I said that right, I'm not sure. I can't remember how to pronounce that. But it's Japanese and Scandinavian style, which right now you're not seeing a lot of. This is very unique. The outside of the house kind of reminds me of like an A-frame home in the Pacific Northwest, in the woods. It's very secluded even though we're in the middle of the city. So I'm gonna show you guys this cocktail. Let's go make it. Hey guys, welcome inside. So today we're making an old fashioned. Now there's a lot of controversy in my friend group around old fashions. I have several friends that love Luxardo and maraschino cherries in their old fashions. I'm not gonna do that. I fucking hate cherries, okay? I blame my mother for getting that cherry cough syrup shit when I was a kid, and it's ruined me. So I don't like cherries in any of my cocktails. You'll never see me drink a Manhattan. So we are not gonna do that, and honestly, the original old-fashioned pre-1930 did not have cherries or club soda in it. So if you go to a bar, they say it's a traditional one, not exactly accurate. But what we're doing today is we are going to be making a traditional old-fashioned with simple syrup. Now you can also use sugar cubes, which is what I prefer, but I couldn't find any. So we're gonna use simple syrup. You can use regular sugar if you want to. A really good bourbon. This was gifted to me by a friend of mine and I really enjoyed it, so we're gonna make it out of that. Some bitters and an orange for garnish. So first things first, let's go ahead and get the simple syrup going. And you're only gonna use about a tablespoon. So I'm gonna be using my big tablespoon or even a teaspoon. If you don't like it too sweet, you don't have to add it at all if you don't want to. Bourbon is filled with sugar already, so you don't really need to add it, but it does add a little bit extra sweetness. And you're gonna add 2 to 3 dashes of these bitters. Again, as you've seen from previous videos, bitters are very aromatic. They go a long way. You don't really need to use a ton of them. So after that point, adding your rock. Now, I like a spherical rock, I like a cubed rock. Whatever rocks you got is totally fine, and whatever you've got in your kitchen will work great. So now that we've got that, we need to get our shaker. It's already pre-chilled. All right, I'm going to add in 2 ounces of bourbon. Oh shit, I spilled. Hold on, it's not my kitchen. So, once that's done, give it a little stir. I couldn't find my cocktail stir, so I'm just gonna use a spoon. But the reason you stir it is it chills down that bourbon very quickly. So, and then you get your strainer, pour it over your rock. There you go. All right, so now we're gonna add our garnish. Again, you can use a peeler if it's more comfortable for you, but I always cut myself on fucking peelers, so I'm not gonna use them. So, get you a little sliver of orange. This is a Cara orange. And then give it a good little twist in there. That releases a lot of oils from the rind of the orange. And again, it's just more aromatic stuff, and you add that in, call it a day. And that is a traditional old-fashioned. Let's give it a shot. Heavy orange is what you smell right away, and that's not from the bitters, that's from the orange rind itself. So let's give it a shot, see how it tastes. Holy smokes. That's great. Speaking of holy smokes, you can also do a smoked old-fashioned, which I do enjoy. All right, guys, now I'm gonna show you how to smoke this drink. I'm kidding. We're not smoking in this house. This is not my kitchen. I do not own this house. Again, this house is listed, so I cannot do any of that stuff in here. I'll make that in a different video. That way we can kind of show you the process on how to smoke a glass. But this is perfection, guys. This is actually my favorite drink to make. It's super easy. All of these ingredients you should have in your house if you're a drinker anyway. This is perfect.